Ramp up the party, exploring English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and lively English phrase, ramp up the party. This phrase is colorful and often used in casual, upbeat conversations. So, if you're ready to add some excitement to your English vocabulary, let's get started. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. Ramp up is an idiomatic expression. The word ramp is often associated with an inclined plane or slope. In a figurative sense, to ramp up something means to increase or grow in intensity, quantity, or speed. It's like accelerating a car or increasing the volume of music gradually. Now, let's add the word party to it. A party, as we all know, is a gathering of people for enjoyment and celebration. So, when someone says, ramp up the party, they're talking about making the party more lively, exciting, or energetic. It's like saying, let's make this party even more fun. To understand better, let's see some examples. 1. The music was good, but when the DJ decided to ramp up the party, everyone started dancing like there's no tomorrow. 2. We need to ramp up the party for Tom's birthday. Let's get more decorations and invite more people. In these examples, you can see that ramp up the party is used to describe making an event more dynamic and enjoyable. It's also good to know similar phrases, like kick up a notch, spice things up, take it to the next level. These phrases can be used interchangeably in many contexts to convey the idea of increasing excitement or intensity. So, that's our take on the phrase, ramp up the party. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this add color and personality to your English. We hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and don't forget to ramp up your English learning journey with us. See you in the next video.